Good day everyone, and today we will discuss about understanding cybersecurity, analyzing threat vectors, incidents, and impact. The security of cyberspace is best viewed from a user's perspective, where a secure environment allows internet use without unreasonable fear of high cost related to reputational, monetary, and rights violation. In contrast, an insecure cyberspace imposes significant potential costs on users. This section examines security by analyzing vectors for attack, the occurrence of cyber attacks, and the cost of successful attacks, providing insights into the insecurity individuals face online. While many aspects of cyberspace security are deteriorating, some remain static or even improve. These measures of insecurity are comparable to crime rates in cities or countries. If the rates increase slower than population growth, stay the same, or improve, the overall crime rate is considered better.
Next is vectors of attacks. Cybercriminals exploit vulnerabilities in software to gain unauthorized access to devices. New vulnerabilities, which are publicly known, differ from zero-day vulnerabilities that remain undiscovered. Companies regularly release updates with patches for known vulnerabilities, but failure to update can leave systems at risk. Malicious web domains, another vector, infects users when they visit infected sites. Zero-day vulnerabilities, due to the lack of available patches, are particularly dangerous as they provide cybercriminals a window of attack with no immediate defense. Next is occurrence of cyber attacks. Botnets are infected computers used remotely for illicit activities, such as DDoS attacks and sending spam. The number of botnets can indicate the extent of cybercrime victimization. Recorded web-based attacks, which are launched from online resources, help measure cyber attack occurrences, excluding attacks from offline sources like infected USB drives. However, the true number of attacks is likely higher than reported due to underreporting and attempts by cybercriminals to conceal their activities. The damage of cybercrime. Cybercrime damage is assessed mainly through the data breach costs highlighted in the Phenomenon Institute's Cost of Data Breach study. US data breach costs are typically higher than global averages, with the average organization cost in 2013 being $350 in the US and $2,282,095 globally. Key measures include the average cost per breach record, total annual cost, detection and escalation cost, and post-breach repair cost. The study has limitations, such as variations in companies studied and inclusion of large breaches, but it remains a vital resource for understanding cybercrime's financial impact.